Now we can see the next section, that is the second order low pass active filter. Here the second order low pass active filter, this is a circuit diagram for the second order low pass Butterworth filter. That is we are just connecting two low pass filters. When we are concerned the single low pass filter, it just only consists of a single R and C networks. In the case of the second order low pass filter, it consists of two RC networks. Here when we are seeing this, the second order low pass filter, it is the improved filter response and can be obtained by using the second order active filter. It is the improved filter response and can be obtained by using the second order low pass filter. Here in the second order low pass filter, it consists of two RC pairs and also has a roll off rate of minus 40 dB per decade. Here the op-amp is connected as the non-inverting terminal. It is connected to the non-inverting amplifier, and hence we are just having, that is V naught equal to 1 plus, that is the voltage gain of the non-inverting amplifier, V naught equal to 1 plus RF by R1 into VB equal to A naught into VB, where this A naught is the equal to 1 plus RF by RI, and also VB is the voltage at node B. And here when we are applying in the circuit diagram, when we are applying, we are just for simplification purpose, we are just taking the general second order filter. In the general second order filter, we are applying Kirchhoff current law at node A. We are just getting this equation, that is Vi minus Va into Z1 plus V naught minus Va into Z3 plus Vb minus Va into Z2 equal to 0. Here I am just multiplying the term inside, that is we just for removing the bracket, I am just multiplying all the terms. And also when we are seeing this for three terms, Va is common, therefore I am just taking this minus Va outside. Here since we want to find the value for Vi, that is V naught by Vi, we want to find the value for V naught by Vi, I am just taking this Vi term in the LHS side. And here when we are taking this, since it is a non-inverting amplifier, that is we know that A naught equal to V naught into VB. From this A naught equal to, that is A naught equal to VB, V naught divided by VB. From this VB equal to V naught by A naught. Therefore I am just substituting the value of VB in the above equation. Therefore I am just marking that equation as equation 1. And also we are just applying Kirchhoff current law at node B. Therefore we are just getting the, in the general diagram, therefore we are just getting the value for equation as VB minus VA into Z2 plus VB into Z4 equal to 0. Therefore here I am just bringing this VA term to the LHS side. Therefore we are just getting the above equation here. And again we are substituting the value of VB in the above equation and also marking that value as, marking that equation as equation number 2. Similarly we are just finding, that is we want to find the value of VA for simplification, therefore we are just finding the value for VA equal to V naught divided by A naught into Z2 plus Z4 divided by Z2. Here we want to find the gain of this particular single second order low pass filter, therefore we are substituting the value of VA, that is in equation 2 in equation 1, VA in equation 1, that is I am just substituting the value of VA in the equation 1, therefore I am just getting this equation. After simplifying we are just getting the value for V naught as, that is after further simplification we are just getting the value for V naught by VA equal to A naught Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 Z2 plus Z4 into Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 into 1 minus A naught. I am just marking this equation as equation equation 3. Here to make a low pass filter, since we are just doing the calculation by using the general circuit diagram, there is general second order low pass filter. Here to make the second order low pass filter, I am just choosing that Z1 Z2 equal to 1 by R, and also Z3 Z4 equal to S into C from the first figure. Here when we are from the third equation, we get the transfer function of HFS for the low pass filters. After simplification, we are just getting this equation as H of S equal to A naught divided by R to R square divided by the denominator term. Here for this, after simplification, we are just getting the value of HFS is HFS equal to A naught divided by S square C square R square plus SCR into 3 minus A naught plus 1. We are just marking that equation as 1. 4. In equation 4, if we are substituting S equal to 0, HFS equal to A naught value, and similarly S equal to infinity, we are just getting the value for HFS equal to infinity. And the transfer function for the low pass filter can be written by using this equation as, that is H of S equal to A naught omega n square divided by S square plus alpha omega n square, yes, omega n into S plus omega n square, where A naught is the gain and omega suffix n is the upper cutoff frequency in radian per second, and alpha is the sampling coefficient. Here when we are comparing this equation 4 and 5, we are getting the value for omega n equal to 1 by RC and alpha equal to 3 minus A naught. Here the value of the damping coefficient of a low pass active RC filter can be obtained by choosing A naught value. That is, we are substituting S equal to j omega in equation 5. After substituting the value, we are just getting the value of H of j omega equal to A naught omega n square divided by omega j omega the whole square plus alpha into omega n j omega plus omega n square, where alpha is the damping factor. And also here after that is, I am just taking this first of further simplification, we are just taking omega, that is from the denominator term also we are just taking the omega n square outside, and after cancellation, simplification, we are just getting the value. And here the normalized expression for the low pass filter can be given as H of j omega equal to A naught divided by S n square plus alpha S n plus 1, where the normalized frequency S suffix n equal to j into omega by omega n, and the expression for the magnitude in TB of the transfer function is given as 20 log modulus of H of j omega equal to 20 log of A naught divided by 1 plus j alpha into omega by omega n plus j omega by omega n square. Here I am just separating the imaginary and real term. Therefore, we are just separating the imaginary and real term. We are just getting this value. Therefore, this is the equation. This is the simplified equation, that is the expression for the magnitude in TB for the transfer function can be given by this equation, that is 20 log of A naught divided by root of 1 minus omega n square divided by omega n square plus alpha into omega by omega n square. And also here for general, that is for nth order general low pass butterfly filter, the normalized transfer function for a flatly, that is maximally flat filter can be given by the equation, that is modulus of H of j omega equal to 1 by root of 1 plus omega by omega n the whole part 2 into n. That's about the second order low pass filter. Thank you.